You know, everyone dreams of that moment when they can wake up without an alarm clock, sip coffee slowly, and know that money is still flowing into their account, even while they're not working. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the truth. In 2025, it's not just a dream anymore. Passive income has become the secret weapon of people who want to retire early, live freely, and take back control of their time. In this video, we're diving deep into the best and most realistic ways to earn passive income in 2025, and how you can use them to retire earlier than you ever thought possible. So stay tuned, because this could literally change your financial life. Let's start with what passive income really means. Passive income isn't a get-rich-quick trick. It's about setting up income streams that keep paying you even when you're not actively working. It takes effort up front. Sometimes money, sometimes time, often both, but once it's set, it continues to pay off for years. Think of it like planting a money tree. You nurture it at first, but eventually, it grows and produces fruit while you sleep. Now, let's talk about the best passive income ideas that are thriving in 2025. The first one is dividend investing. Companies are paying bigger dividends than ever, and with stock market access being easier through apps like Robinhood, Webull, and Fidelity, it's never been simpler to start. Imagine owning shares of big companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, or Johnson & Johnson and getting paid quarterly just for holding them. Dividend investing is one of the oldest and most reliable passive income sources, and when you reinvest those dividends, your wealth compounds automatically. Next up, we have real estate crowdfunding and REITs. You no longer need to buy an entire property to earn from real estate. Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul allow you to invest small amounts into big real estate projects and earn returns through rent and property appreciation. For those who prefer a simpler route, real estate investment trusts, REITs, trade just like stocks and pay monthly or quarterly dividends. It's a fantastic way to get exposure to real estate without the headaches of tenants or maintenance. Now, here's one that's exploding in 2025, digital product creation. Think of ebooks, online courses, or digital templates. Once you create and upload them, they can sell thousands of times without you lifting another finger. For example, if you're good at something, say graphic design, marketing, or personal finance, you can create a short video course or an ebook, upload it to platforms like Udemy, Gumroad, or Amazon Kindle, and watch it bring in income for years. In 2025, with AI tools helping you write, design, and edit, creating digital products has never been easier. Another strong source of passive income is affiliate marketing. This is where you recommend products or services online and earn a commission whenever someone buys through your link. You don't need to own the product, you just promote it. Many YouTubers, bloggers, and even Instagram users are earning thousands of dollars every month from affiliate marketing. And guess what? With AI-generated content and short-form videos booming, 2025 is a golden time to start an affiliate-based content business. And if you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel, there's no better time than now. A channel can become a passive income machine. Once your videos are monetized and ranking, they keep earning from ads long after you post them. It takes effort to get started, consistency, topics people care about, and good storytelling, but once you build your audience, the income can flow 24/7. Many creators make thousands every month from videos they uploaded years ago. Next, let's talk about building an app or a software tool. Now, this might sound complicated, but in 2025, low-code and AI-assisted tools make it possible even for non-programmers to create apps or services. Whether it's a productivity app, a finance tracker, or even a game, apps can bring in income through ads, subscriptions, or one-time purchases. You do the work once, the code, the design, and the revenue can continue for years. Another underrated source of passive income is peer-to-peer lending. You lend your money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms and earn interest in return. It's like being the bank. Platforms like Prosper and Lending Club make this accessible for ordinary people. Of course, it's not risk-free, but with diversified lending, you can create a stable income stream. Then we have print-on-demand businesses. Sites like Redbubble, Teespring, and Etsy let you upload designs that can be printed on t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, or even wall art. You don't have to keep inventory or ship anything, the platform does it all for you. Every time someone buys your design, you earn money. In 2025, AI image generators make this even simpler. You can create hundreds of unique, marketable designs in minutes. Now, let's talk about building a blog or niche website. Blogging might sound old-fashioned, but it's still one of the most powerful passive income models. You write articles that attract search traffic, and you earn money through ads and affiliate links. The best part, once your blog ranks, it can keep bringing in money for years without much maintenance. Use tools like WordPress and AI writers to speed up content creation and focus on topics with evergreen value, like personal finance, health, and technology. And here's one that's trending in 2025, automated e-commerce stores. Dropshipping and print-on-demand businesses are being transformed by automation and AI chatbots. You can run an online store without ever touching inventory or handling customer support. Shopify, combined with automation tools, can keep your business running even while you're asleep. For those who have some extra capital, consider buying royalties or existing online businesses. Websites like Flippa and Empire Flippers allow you to buy profitable sites, YouTube channels, or even ebook rights that already make money. You're essentially buying a cash flow, an existing money-making asset. Now, passive income doesn't only help you earn more, it gives you the freedom to retire early. And retirement doesn't mean sitting around doing nothing, it means doing what you actually love without worrying about bills. The secret to retiring early isn't just making more money, it's about making your money work for you. The more you invest in passive income sources, the faster your freedom number grows. That's the amount of money you need coming in every month to live comfortably without working. Let's take an example. Say your monthly expenses are $3,000. To retire early, your goal is to build passive income that covers the $3,000 every month. Maybe $1,000 comes from dividends, $1,000 from digital product sales, and $1,000 from your YouTube channel or rental income. Once that happens, you're financially free. You can choose to work or not. But remember, building passive income takes consistency. It's about starting small, reinvesting what you earn, and watching it grow. Many people think they need $100,000 to start, but you can begin with as little as a few $100s or even just your time. If you're serious about retiring early, start by picking 2 or 3 passive income streams and focus on building them this year. For instance, invest $100 a month into dividend stocks, create one digital product, and start a YouTube channel or blog. Over the next few years, these streams can grow to replace your job income. And don't forget about taxes and reinvestment. Use your early profits to build more assets, buy more stocks, invest in more products, or upgrade your equipment. The key is compounding, letting your money make more money. In 2025, AI and automation are changing the game. You don't need to be a tech genius or have a huge team. You just need the right mindset, a bit of effort, and a plan. Whether it's digital assets, real estate, or online businesses, your path to financial independence is closer than ever. So as we wrap up, ask yourself, how long do you want to keep trading time for money? The sooner you build passive income, the sooner you buy back your time. And that's what true wealth really is, time freedom. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Stock Predictor, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos about smart investing, financial freedom, and wealth building strategies. And drop a comment below, which passive income idea will you start with this year? Thanks for watching, and remember, the best investment you can make is the one that gives you your time back. Here's to your freedom, your future, and your early retirement in 2025.